Cold? Hey guys, Jack, it's not even wet.
Put in.
Your hair.
No, not much is it?
Oh, there, but that's so dry, that's so
What's
dry.
that? It's quite hard, you know.
Have you wet your hair yet?
Is it even...
Some stuff running around now?
Uh,
Is that conditioner?
shampoo.
Mm.
What the fuck is this?
It's not.
That is shampoo. Rub it in.
Yeah.
Look what Joe just did. No.
I got my own fucking shampoo.
Give me my towel, please. Give me my towel.
You need to wash it out.
I need to wash it. I ain't washing no shit out. The back of my neck is fucking freezing.
Face split.
Joe, have you got conditioner?
Yeah.
Why do boys only wash the tops of their hair?
What's the fucking point? No, you gotta look at it.
Cattle duck.
Keep holding it. Keep holding the tap.
That's fucking freezing, Joe.
I know. Oh, my fucking head.
Okay.
You have to do like I did, right?
Fuck's sake, it's fucking freezing. Fucking hell. Look on.
A bit more. There. Should be it.
Oh, it smells like strawberry.
Give him his towel.
Give me my towel.
I knew using conditioner
You
there.
still got to condition it.
Fuck's sake.
It's fresh,
That's nothing, for God's sake. Fucking funny stuff.
Ah, I can't have it now.
Freezing.
Right, condition it. Ah! Oh shit. No, that's a lie. We're fucking condition it. Give me
Fucking
bullshit.
freezing, mum.
I'm normal, I'm fine. Fucking. Come on, where's the conditioner?
Fucking
I
no.
passed you the shampoo and conditioner.
You passed me the fucking shampoo.
I passed you the shampoo and the conditioner.
You've lost the conditioner.
I haven't fucking touched the conditioner. I didn't touch it.
I didn't use no conditioner anyway.
I'll pass it to me then. I know you got it.
I don't got it.
I know you fucking have. Don't bullshit.
Search me.
What the fuck's that then, you dick?
This is shampoo.
Fucking conditioner, you fucking
I
tripod.
ain't doing the fucking conditioner.
I am.
My hair is fucking freezing.
I'm gonna do this now. Oh, yeah.
Right here for you.
Ah! That's right. It tastes right.
This actually tastes like a
Strawberry.
strawberry milkshake.
Do it.
Don't tell me that's fucking conditioner.
That is conditioner.
Yeah, see? Fucking that.
Mayonnaise. Yeah.
This one brings my hair to shine.
It's like doing a bloody video, what's it called? Advert.
Hold the tab. It's quite warm actually now.
Oh yeah.
I think I've got
Really warm,
my
innit?
fucking brain cell fucking melting.
Dead.
Bye!